Hello class, today I will be showing you how to use the power rule as a shortcut to finding the derivative of an exponential function. This method will not only help you save time when solving a derivative, but it will also serve as a check when you use the long way to solve a derivative. In this video, I will show you the basic definition of the power rule as well as examples on how to apply it. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to set up the skeleton of our exponential function. We have our variable x and our exponent n. The first step we want to do is we want to move our variable, or exponent, to the front of our variable. Then we want to subtract 1 to our exponent. This in turn gives us n x to the n minus 1 as a variable, as an exponent. This is the basic skeleton of the power rule. So now we're going to apply this to an actual problem. We want to find the derivative of 2x cubed minus x squared. So our first step again is to move our exponent to the front of our variable. Exponent to the front of our variable. Then we want to subtract 1 to each of our variables and then solve. For this first term, we notice that we have a 2 as a coefficient already. So we want to multiply the exponent times the coefficient to get 6x to the 3 minus 1, which is squared, minus 2x to the 1. So this is our derivative of 2x cubed minus x squared. And there you have it, class. That is how you use the power rule as a shortcut to finding the derivative of an exponential function. But this does not mean that we should use this method and forget about the long way, using the definition of a derivative function, because it will be on the AP exam. So only use this method that I just showed you when checking your answers. I hope this was a lot of help, and I'll see you in class on Monday.